Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is ADJOA SLAY. So today's video is a very simple video. I'm going to show you how I achieve this two top knots with curls in front of my hair. So these are the products I'm going to be needing for the tutorial. First of all, if you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. If you're old, thanks for always coming back to the channel, always coming back to support your girl. So what I will need you to do for me is to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section below. That's how you get the pass tickets to watching my videos. Like, you don't have to be greedy. Just subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section, and please don't forget to watch all the ads you see in this video in full. Seeing the ads on my video is telling you that your girl is monetized. Even though I didn't announce my monetization, I'm waiting for my pin. That's why I don't want to monetize I don't want to announce my monetization. So please watch the ads on the video, because that's how I'm going to get paid. I'm not asking for your money. I just want you to support me by watching the ads on the video, giving the video a thumbs up, subscribing, leaving a comment. That's just what I'm asking from you. Because don't forget, the lighting I'm using to film this video is expensive. The products I'm using to show you all these tutorials are expensive. I use money, I invested money in them. So what you need to do to support me, I'm not asking for your money, I'm just asking you to watch the ads for me. And that's how God is going to bless you this December, because the year is going to an end and you need a blessing to get into 2022. So make sure you do the above mentioned and be blessed. Yeah, so for this tutorial I don't want to talk too much. It's been a long time I do a tutorial like this where I don't talk too much. I just give you an intro and I'll let you enjoy the tutorial. Like, I'll let you enjoy the tutorial by watching and paying attentive to what you're watching. So if there's anything you didn't understand in the video, leave a comment in the comment section below and I am going to give you all the details. I'm going to respond to your comments in the comment section below. So I want to see in the comment section below if you didn't understand anything. So with that said, I will just keep quiet for you to watch the video attentively and enjoy the music in the background. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.